Edina Nkasa Abdulrazak Emisa, but stage name no Zach GHR Dodona Edine Mewagana Hantin so it's Zach GHR Abdulrazak Emisa no ye movie as you see and so no he's on his musical career. Kojo our Wizzy Empire, which is on one Kasane brand. A Wizzy Empire, a on brand, and a BossNation so and America said BossNation is a mother of Wizzy Empire and Tinukojo free BossNation mu and a Koti Wizzy Empire. But for now, Nadia, he's running Wizzy Empire and I so no. We started with BossNation and we're still in BossNation and BossNation for life. I'm a Boss native. Yeah, started here and yet BossNation. BossNation yet like yet nase a group of people when yet nase and yet dino about out BossNation. To yet see Kuni you know, yet nase say yeah share wine and you to me a money a leady a cool BossNation because now Obagana ha o can Beam Nation o be him say Stoneboy o can SMA o be him say Shatawale o can Mebra Penny Samini. Uboni din so a onim se ono nso so e won record label and the BossNation yet nothing who said no why na ono nso so e betumi ama na lead and already no Kojo aye actor or ye movie dada and I'm me together with the help of my brother Nana Top K Kojo ne guru ya nyom after that no yen so ye the idea ne by say Kojo ya nyanyom because every dream maybe no who knows some movie industry no e be from ono nso tie ya sopam and all den adwen my na your studio na start here until we thought it wise to say BossNation ye makojo en lead here na edino entumi mpie until no kra ni nyame enim kojo nso so age pene and you say yo e pushi the name BossNation and I'm a BossNation etna ye because ya na ye vote man no as say ombe lady Ekuno but Ekuno was formed by a group of people and ye form ye so later no who say Ekuno ejina no and no I say no sisi an men so me pese me dem a brand eba no meka say sisi in BossNation no men and me headline BossNation as an artist team ni nyina suggest say ye pushy but apart from me you know ya want Nana Top K or can BossNation Guda eka ho Young Chorus is part Amen Obibini Techi Justin. These are the squad that BossNation so no atena say after me you know the others will also follow. And you say, be always, and it's going to be me. But maybe release here the other artists. And so, if only the song gonna get good, you be pushy. But for now, na dear, me, and ye pushy. Adeko. Ya me catch a minute, no man, say. In fact, and sat here, nini na nyape. Obo adi nkwane nimni intia. Obi wo ho a offer artist na manager bi wo ho offer artist na onim say onko student no manager na person use in school ability no na education no the BT artist no which is very wrong. Me artist no trust me said na me ye bibia transparent actually no antina na to me nante actually for 8 years now sisia no me ye me music ono so ne de what I say, and you know, no, be transparent. And to me, ye juma chair, and it's all person artists, no, only ye juma chair. Said there be a montem entity, managers and Mesramo try and do everything transparent to the artists. A cocoa money won't say a cocoa, a tuntuma money won't say a tuntum, to me, obey to me. Ube to me, so ube to me. Funny chin kasa me kwa je na ichire na kobasa me no na edem papa e mono ba no nti no mesre managers na ya o manage artists no me have been there and now no me free Wizzy Empire and na omohwe kojon kansa bibia so for now and I mean so now no I'm an artist and you know someone who many kojon cancer se bebia na ojina me wo ho I'm also an artist and ye bebia and I met to me and then akọ baby wo ho na some ube hu me no that means we've been paid together to be on the same platform. It's all about me promoting my song because me started wakraha ya wo me ha me nyiwa ha later me ko Kumasi for J me fell so and na Kumasi for aboa me nenkran for na me dru baby a me dru and you know many kojo the problem be any ho a mutual understanding na so I'm also promoting my career and I me dream and say I'm chasing my beautiful dream out there, which is the music, and that is what I'm doing. I learned from my elderly ones. Or more what system no more. Somebody like Obrafo, I listen to him a lot. Or Comfort Quade, Reggie Rockstone. Sa kodie because me tie omu nyina nyom because omu no mama inspiration, you know, and mostly so no my team around me, BossNation music, me yen nyum ni wia na me composing nyum na me try say me to achiro mo answer ma ko studio and they will say Zach yeni say and I be continue inspiration there. It comes from a lot of people, BossNation and then my leaders in the game.